As film photography resurfaces among the youth, the technicians here in Hidalgo are becoming harder to find.
Grainy filled frames, faded tones, and soft imperfections. Film photography is back, capturing a new generation of creatives. And for many, it's not just the look, but the thrill of one shot and the process of developing.
4 years na ako nag-experiment sa film photography. Naging interested ako sa film photography. Mainly because iba kasi yung approach niya sa digital photography nowadays. Sa film photography, you only have one shot. Lalo ngayon na ang taas na ng prices ng film. Nandun yung thinking na, naayos ko ba to? Yung composition ba neto? Yung lighting ba neto? And all. Yun. So, kapag dumadating yung develop na film, nandun yung excitement. Kasi andun na yung pinaka-outcome ng film.
I think it's being appreciated, but at the same time, the trend is helping the film photography and the analog photography to be more thriving, to be more known. I hope that film will never die and it will just continue to use the digital to preserve the analog.
Before smartphones and unlimited shots, film captured moments frame by frame, with every photo a surprise until developed. Yet with the rise of technology, film demand fell and the repairman began to decline.
Nag-umpisa ko ng year 2000 dito. Pagdating ng 2004, doon dumating na yung mga digicam, mayroon nang nagpaparepair noon. Hanggang sa nakalipas na mga ilang taon, biglang nawala na yung mga film. Nakakalungkot kaya. Kasi puro high-tech na lahat sa bagay. Dapat meron din talagang matitira ba na mayroon pa rin gumagamit ng luma. Kasi diyan tayo nang gagaling.
Along Hidalgo Street, Mang Jun remains one of the few still repairing film cameras.
Sinasabihan ko yung iba na cellphone ng iPhone talaga napakamahal, di ba? Pero sabi ko, try mo magpa-develop ng kuha ng cellphone at saka yung sa camera. Doon mo talaga makikita yung pagkakaiba. Alam ko yung phone mo, ito, ang ganda nito. Pero kung di ka rin nakaranas talaga ng mga DPL, mga SLR, di ka pa rin talaga tatawagin na professional photographer.
As more rediscover film, the future prepare rests on the youth, with Mang Jun hoping for the craft to continue before it completely fades.
Kasi ako, di ko na din alam kung ilang taon na lang din ako dito sa pagre-repair kasi may edad na 56 na ako. Lalo sa mata ko, medyo nahirapan na rin ako. Kaya sana naman, sunod na henerasyon, makita ako ba na repair shop na andun, di film pala yung ginagawa. Pero sa palagay ko parang malabo nang mangyari siguro. Kasi alam mo naman ngayon, easy money na eh. Magre-repair ka pa, pakahirap ka pa ng gusto, di ba?
In the end, he emphasized, film repair is more than work, as it is history, encouraging today's youth to always look back where the trend began. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw, we